going on, guys? Went to Lowe's and bought some of this weather stripping, and we're gonna put that on the inside of the fenders right here. You can see it's kind of pulling out in a lot of places, and what we might do is just take the fenders completely off, so we'll just see how it looks like that. Alright, see you in a little bit. Alright guys, so for the rest of these, this one, yeah, so those 5, we're gonna have to pull the inner fender off here, which has some clips there, there's some under there, and then up here, probably one under all that, but yeah, so we'll pull that away to get to those clips, and the clips look like this right here. So they have the little, well, I guess it's more of like a nut, I don't really know, but yeah, so we'll pull the inner fender off that to see those. But as of right now, it looks pretty mean, dude. Don't you know, we'll figure out what to do with that, but not gonna lie, I'm kind of digging it. We'll see where it goes. Alright, finally got it. There she goes. Yeah, that's the inner fender right there, all folded back. You see all the mud up in there. We'll get that cleaned out. But yeah, so took that bolt out. But yeah, oh goodness. So yeah, you can see the weather stripping right here. It just is not very straight, comes around like that. They left the plastic on right here, it looks like. It wiggles down there, comes around, wiggles, finally ends way like that. So. Yeah, look at that. That was really satisfying. But yeah, you can see how it was way down here, just wiggled all the way around. So yeah, hopefully we can make that a little bit cleaner and just come right around the edge there. That is, if we want to put them back on. Step back and take a look at it. Oh, that looks so mean. What's going on, guys? It's a couple days later, and we got the weather stripping all done right around the edge there of the fender. Ready to go back on. And that's the back left. Here's the front driver's side. Looking nice, looking pretty. Both of them are ready to go back on, so guess we're gonna do that and say goodbye to fenderless, even though it looks pretty good. Alright, well, let's get to it. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. Oh man. It's just such a nice clean black line. Whereas before it was just like basically the fender. The fender flare was like right on top of the fender and they were just right next to each other where it had some really crappy foam. Let's see if I can find any. It had this in there and it's just not good. It's so thin. I don't know, I just didn't like it very much. Yeah, that right there. And on this one you can see where it had dipped down and it was just all pushed in from the edge where it was supposed to be. Just did not look very good. So that's why we're replacing it, and it's gonna all turn out like this, hopefully. Such a nice clean edge, it looks so good. Alright, time to move on to the back. So we had to bend the inner fender out of the way a little bit so we can get to the back side of these, so we can get those nuts in there. And then, yeah, so now we're ready. Alright guys, and that's the rear. Does not look too bad. Yeah, you can see a little bit of hot glue right there. Had to glue it because the adhesive didn't quite stick on that part, but other than that it looks a lot better than it did. So much better. Alrighty, now we'll move on to the other side. Alright guys, so we just finished both sides and we can go take a look now. Take a look at that. That nice clean black line. That's what we we like. See you guys next video.